In this video, I will tell you that how you can get premium themes and premium plugins for free. By using a particular website, you can get almost all the plugins which you need in your WordPress website, and they are paid. You can get all these plugins for free with the license of that particular website on. Okay. So the name of the website is Sign Ads. You need to go on your browser and you need to type here Sign Ads. SHINEADS. Okay. Press enter and then you will get the website. Here you need to click on the first link. Go to the first link here. And now you need to search for the plugin that you are looking for. For example, we are looking for Elementor Pro. Okay. Now you need to go on this search bar and you need to search for your required plugin. Let's see Elementor Pro. Press enter and it will give you the results for that particular query. If you see here, it have uh, Elementor Pro, Elementor Pro add-ons, and now you can download Elementor Pro from here. Now click here. Okay, let's go down, and then you will get file links like URL type in between this text. Okay, and they might ask you for clicking on their ads, then you can go and click on their ads as well. Okay, here you can see that they have given the file links. You need to copy any one of them and paste it in your browser and see which one is working. I think this is not working. Let's try with the another link. Okay, if you see here, here is Elementor Pro packaging. Now you can click on download. You need to make sure that you are downloading a correct plugin or not. In this case, I am little unsure that we are getting the correct plugin here. Let's see that what we get. I think this is the correct version. Let's go and download this one as well. Go to the end of the page and search for the same type of URLs. Okay, here is the URL. Go and paste it here. Okay, these both are same. Okay. Let it download first. This one have completed. Now you can click on that plugin and you can check this as well. Okay, now we need to go on your website dashboard and then go to plugins area and install that. Here in the side menu you can see the plugins area and now click on add new. Here in the upper section you have an option that upload plugins. Click on that. Now go down. Now here you get an option. Now click on browse. First let's go and make the file unzipped. Okay, now I have extracted the file. Go back and now again click on browse and select the file. Okay, here is Elementor and Elementor Pro. So if you are installing Elementor Pro, then you need to make sure that you have already installed Elementor. Okay, then click on Elementor Pro installation now. If you see here, this time our plugin is successfully installed. Now you can click on activate plugin. Okay, here our plugin is successfully activated. Now if you go on any page or any post, you will be able to see the features of Elementor Pro. Click on edit with Elementor. Okay, if you see here, everything is now unlocked or free. Now you can use every feature of Elementor Pro. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and similarly you can do the same process for themes as well. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it really helped you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.